Magnified mirrors are indispensable for precise makeup application, facilitating facial hair maintenance like shaving and plucking, and ensuring enhanced visibility for detailed beauty routines. Particularly beneficial for eyeglass wearers, they prevent eye strain and offer essential illumination in poorly lit areas. In essence, these mirrors are integral to effective and meticulous personal grooming, guaranteeing accuracy in makeup application and maintenance routines. The double-sided mirror with magnification excels in beauty routines, featuring dual 10x and 1x magnification for detailed applications and overall blending. Its 360-degree rotation ensures flexibility, and the stable stand prevents sliding, simplifying makeup application. Ideal for touch-ups, the 10x magnification is precise for various treatments. The dual-sided design and 360-degree swivel joint promise a flawless reflection from every angle, contributing to an impeccable makeup look. Its elegant glossy finish and transparent appearance bring a stylish touch to any space, making it a chic addition to bedroom, bathroom, or office decor. Compact and lightweight, it serves as a space-saving, portable companion for travel, ensuring your beauty routine remains convenient and sophisticated on the go.